Assalamu alaikum. Hi, welcome to another video of UKTechians. So today we will wrap up this project. We will just do some coding to change the label and change the image while the button is clicked. So before starting our tutorial, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. Also like our Facebook page, which is UKTechians tutorial. So let's start. So first of all, what I will do is initiate an array, and in array I need an image. So for this we just click on shift 3, it will call hash, then image literal. So it will give you 2-3 options and you have to just integrate the last one, which is init image literal resource, and then click enter, and then image literal like this, enter, and remove this init function, init keyword, and then just add here a bracket, and it will show you a gallery image. If we double click it, it will show you the image, the gallery of your project, and you have to just click anyone and it will show you here as an image. What I will do is just copy it, comma, and paste it 6 times so that my array will be complete. Now double click, you will just need to add the desired image which you want to add in your array. So like this, it's now completed after inserting 6. So we are not using any loop here. So what I will do is I will initialize a variable which is known as count equals to 0, and here I will just remove this line because I don't want to use it over here. And what I will do over here, I will just add count equals to 1 when the view is load, and then what I will do is I will print the count over here so that I'll know which number I'm going to use to fetch the result from an array. So what I will do is now I'll add an image in ImageView using .image property equals to fetch result from an array using this count. And if we are using this count, then the number over here will fetch the image from this resource, right? And then what I will do, plus increment the count variable, right, plus 1, and then also over here what I will do is, so after incrementing the count, what I will do is print again the count. After that, the last is show the ticket label, the text which is ticket number is and just have to use this count variable, and I'll add a backslash over here so it will call this variable value into this string, right? And now let's just run it and see what it will do. So we have to relaunch it, and let's see over here. So first of all, what I have done, the ticket number is not changed yet because I haven't pressed this button. So now let's press it and it show you the ticket number is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and boom, it crashes. Why? Because array is less than 6 and the count is now 6. So what we will do, we will apply a condition over here using if statement, that if count is less than array dot count or size, or you can say length. So what it will do, it will only go to this condition if the count is less than array count. If not, what it will do, it will not go inside this condition. Other than what we will do is else reset the counter and use counter equals to 0. So let's again run it and see the results. So it will also show you the results over here, then that the counter is 1, then 2, then 2, then 3, then 3, then 4, and so on. So if I remove this, what it will do, it will also do the same. Let me just show you over here that the first one is 0, and when it goes to 0, it finds the image 1, because index of array at 0 is 1, so it's showing 1. Right now if we go next, what it will display, the item is 1, the count is 1, but the value is 2, because on index 1 the value is placed as 2. So on it will show you these images, and you can also see here the index which it calls before the image is placed and after the image is placed. So what I will do over here, because I want to just change the image, like just go to this image and call here as an image app icon. So I'll use this app icon. So now if I run this application and go to my application, what it will do, it will show you ticket number. When we press next, it will show you image 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and reset the counter again. So hope you will like this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up to this video. Also like our Facebook page, which is UKTechians tutorial. We will be back with other amazing tutorials, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.